take off her high heel boot, and I run back at the bus, run back at the bus. The bus reach a halfway through, the woman there back at the bus, I run. Hello everyone, Jamfet here, coming for you out of France. Remember, please, me I beg you now, subscribe. After you subscribe, you can like, you can share, you can comment, but please subscribe to our channel as we bring back the good old memories and we continue to promote the good, positive Jamaican culture. Story time again. Story time again. Now, this one is about a church sister and a bus. So, once upon a time, this church now, country church of Mobay, decided to them come to town for one convention. But the problem is, every year they got town, them feel embarrassed because as soon as the bus driving at the convention center, the town people them just start pine on the bus and a laugh and say, "Watch the country bus are coming, watch the country bus are coming," and the bus always are broke down and ass out or something. So this year them decided them are gonna rent one of them bus that they call the Auto Gargo with the tint window them. So so you can't see inside of the bus. So, country church now rent the bus and got town now a convention. Everybody have a good time at the convention. Church sister them dress up nice in them hat and high heel boot and all of them something. Anyway, everybody have a good time at the convention and a time to go back a country. So now, me no know whether the people them tired or what. But the people them forgot to do the roll call and never realized that one of the church sister them missing. So when the church sister come out of the convention hall, she see the nice pretty Auto Gargo bus a drive out of the parking lot and the bus gone. So she now start run back at the bus, take off her high heel boot, and I run back at the bus, run back at the bus. The bus reach a halfway through, the woman there back at the bus, I run. The bus reach a Spanish town, the woman still there back at the bus, she run. The bus reach a Maypen, the woman still there back at the bus, I run. The bus reach a man, the woman still there back at the bus. She run. And nobody in the bus not see her because, as me say, the bus window them tinted. And the woman there back at the bus. And the woman a run. The bus reach a Santa Cruz and the woman still there back at the bus a run. She run. When the bus reach back at Mobay now, the woman run up right side of the bus and drop down dead. So the poor woman dead now. So the people them decide to Shafi, God dead, what you call that place there? The place where them deal with dead people. And now them have to do autopsy. So when the man from the autopsy come back now with the report, hear the man. This woman was dead from Spanish Town. But the speed at which she was running, the momentum is what brought her here to Mobay. Jack Mandora, me no choose none.